Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Alt+Tab not working issue in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If the Alt+Tab functionality is not responding on your Windows 11 device, there is a straightforward setting that might be causing this problem. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the context menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down the list of options on the right until you find Multitasking. Click on Multitasking to expand its settings. Within the Multitasking section, look for an option labeled Show Tabs from Apps when snapping or pressing Alt+Tab. This setting controls whether application tabs are displayed when you use the Alt+Tab shortcut. If this option is set to Do Not Show Tabs, it means the feature is disabled, and Alt+Tab may not function as expected. If it is set to any of the other available values, such as 3, 5, or 20, it indicates that the feature is enabled. Ensure this setting is configured to display tabs if you want Alt+Tab to work correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.